After creating a subscription plan, Shopify will automatically add a subscription widget to your product page. You can change and customize your subscription widget from the Widget tab of your Shopify panel. There are 4 widget styles available for you to choose from. Select your preferred widget style and simply click on the View Widget button to check how it appears on your product page. To edit the contents on your widget, click on the Customize button on your selected widget style to open the widget customization page. You can customize your widget's content to better match your store's theme and brand tone. See your changes live on the right section of the screen on the sample widget. From here, you can request to change the place of the widget on the product page. If you scroll down to the footer section, you can remove the Shopify branding image and link from your subscription widget. If you are familiar with CSS coding, you can apply your code to the advanced section of the widget customization page to have a more personalized subscription widget. Not familiar with CSS? No worries, we've got you covered. You can request a personalized look for your subscription widget from our support team, like changing the background and border color of the widget to match your theme, etc., and leave the rest to our team. See how personalizing the widget can have a huge effect on your product page. Stay tuned for more insights on each feature in our upcoming videos.